On Suko, I will show you how to slim someone down or how you can slim yourself down in photographs. You can slim the abdomen,
the arms, the legs. And any part of your body.
we will use the app called Face App. Now, how can you grow your muscles in photos? You can make your muscles look bigger and more defined. The muscles in your arms.
Of your abdomen.
or your glutes. To grow your muscles in photos, we will also use the app called FaceApp. With the body and appearance to group, you can use various body types and use them for free by watching an ad. And you can adjust the skin tone and fit it to your body size. Now we will edit a woman's body to make her look thinner. In the waist section, select the parts you want to slim down. Increase, then in the thin part, it will affect the whole body at the same time. With the reshape tool, you can select each part of the body and use your finger to move it where you want. I recommend that after each adjustment you make in each section, you zoom out of the photo to see how it looks. Make sure the curves remain rounded so it looks more aesthetic. Yeah. Also, be careful to keep the proportions symmetrical to the whole body, so one part is not smaller than the other, or the arms too small and the legs too big.